Good morning, second graders. This is Mrs. Kraus. Welcome back for April Number Corner, the calendar. Let's get started this morning. Today is going to be a really quick update day. So all we're going to do is we are going to say today's date, flip over that card, and then fill in our calendar grid observations. Can you please say today's date with me? Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Now, what I want you to do for a little extra fun is could you write today's date in the air with your finger? Remember, in numbers. So it will look something like this. 4 dash 28 dash 20. Thanks for doing that with me. All right, back to our calendar. Let's flip over that card and see what we have. I'm going to make a prediction first. I noticed that on my whole month, it looks like we have 4 garden beds. Every time the garden beds come up, it seems like we have 4 of them. 4 here and a set of 4 garden beds here, set of 4 here. And so I'm guessing 1, 2, 3, I'm guessing there's one more garden bed in this set since all the other sets of garden beds had 4 garden beds as well. Let's flip it over and see if I'm right. Sure enough, it is a garden bed. And it looks like if I go over our calendar grid observations chart, so 4-28, it is a whole garden bed. And I noticed, oh my goodness, it is all filled in with those beautiful flowers. So I'm going to type in how many parts are items, whole filled. Wow, that is it for Number Corner today. But I do have one more thing. It's optional if you would like to click on the link in your lesson plans. I found online a cool children's book, and I'll show it to you here. It's called Apple Fractions, and it is about apples, and it's about fractions, and it has to do exactly with what we've been learning about in Number Corner at calendar time this whole month. So if you would like, I'll include that link in the lesson plans, and you can just take a listen and learn some really cool things about how you can use apples to learn about fractions. Thanks, second graders, for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.